Hello all, let's learn how to make a butterfly now. We are going to learn how to make a butterfly using basic shapes. Using a scale, mark pointers at 0, 1 and 5 inch respectively. Connect the first 2 points using a alphabet C from both the sides to form a circle. Connect the second and the third point in an oval shape from both the sides. Make the wings of the butterfly from the joint area. You can draw your own shape of the wings too. Here I have selected the upper wing to be a little bigger in size and the lower wing to be a little smaller in size. I have added some lines in between the wings to make the design and pattern inside the wing. Make the same wing size and design on the other side too. We will outline our butterfly using a black oil pastel. Don't forget to outline the lines inside the wings too. Make the antennas of the butterfly too using the black oil pastel. Let's color the butterfly wings with beautiful colors. You can choose any colors of your choice. Here I am using purple, blue and shade of red. Using the technique of first applying the water in one area and then applying the color, we are going to color the butterfly. You can also mix two colors together to make it look more attractive. You can add as many colors as you want and make it more colorful. I have used orange and green color over here. Color the body of the butterfly using a black post color. When the color dries, using a scissor we are going to cut out our butterfly from the paper. Be very careful while using the scissor to cut out the antennas of the butterfly. Our beautiful colorful butterfly is ready to be pasted on the background. Fold the wings of the butterfly from the corner of the body area. You can make a crease by using an old pen. Apply the Fevicol in the body area of the butterfly only and not on the wings, and paste it on the flower background created earlier. Fold the wings again to give it a little 3D look. Our colorful butterfly is now ready and sitting on a beautiful yellow flower.